Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing the Purple Primer Plus Matte Lipsticks. I'm having in total 6 shades. So if you want to know my short review, then please continue watching. So they do come in this kind of cardboard outer packaging. It is the Shades of Love Primer Plus Matte Lipsticks and they are launched in total 12 different shades. On the box packaging, you do get the shelf life and on the manufacturing and everything printed. The MRP is rupees 399 and the shelf life of the lipstick is 3 years from the date of manufacturing. The net quantity of the lipsticks is 3.5 grams. Coming to the inner packaging, they do come in this kind of white magnetic packaging and you do have the purple logo on the top, and at the bottom you do have the shade sticker. Now the shade sticker again does have the shade name, number and the grams mentioned on it. So when you just twist it up, that is how the oval bullet lipstick looks like. As I said, you do get 3.5 grams, but right now the Beauty Carnival sale is going on Purple from 13th to 20th of October, wherein they have 40% off discounts across brands. So definitely check this out. Even this lipstick is available at 15% off. Now talking about the formula, these are creamy lipsticks, so these do transfer but the pigmentation on the lips still remains, and these are creamy matte lipsticks with a unique concept of primer infused matte lipsticks. So these are creamy mattes with primer properties. It is enriched with vitamin E, castor oil in the formula, which makes the lipsticks very moisturizing, especially perfect for the winter season. They do not feel drying or chapping on the lips at all. Neither are they sticky. They have a slightest bit of chocolate fragrance given to them, but it is not at all over the top, which is another thing that I like about it. They are super comfortable. These are good, long lasting. These do transfer, as I said before, but they still stand strong as they do have one swipe pigmentation, and so these would not come off immediately once they transfer. That is the thing. And basically any creamy matte lipsticks, they do transfer and they're not going to last as long as liquid lipsticks. Definitely that's the basic line, but still these do pretty stand well even with foods. They do not settle in the fine lines, which is what I like. So this is the second shade that I have, which is a beautiful pink color. I feel this would suit anyone with a pale to fair medium skin tone way better than dusky tan skin tones. For dusky tan skin tones, I feel like other shades of pink in the video ahead would look very flattering and perfect for the festive season going on. The packaging, it is so minimalist yet fancy and classy, like totally my vibe. The white packaging, it's magnetic, it's neither too heavy, neither it is too lightweight. It does not feel flimsy at all. It is nice and sturdy. You can throw it in your purse, carry it in your jeans pockets, you're good to go. It would not open up because of the magnetic closure given on it. Plus the price point, it's like around 350-ish something at the moment. I would have all the details of the sale plus the product links mentioned in the description box. You can definitely check out these products, especially in the sale season, because you're getting so many brands at such slashed prices. Definitely try them at this sale season. You shouldn't miss these offers. But yeah, that's the overall packaging of the lipstick. The formula is to be true good, apt for the winter season, as I said before. And if you do love these kind of creamy and comfortable lipsticks, this will be totally your jam. The next shade I'm having over here is Fairy Tale Love. As I said, the shade name is also mentioned right on the box and at the bottom on the lipstick tubes. And yeah, this is the kind of shade that would suit anyone with medium to dusky tan deep skin tone. It's a beautiful shade of pink with blue undertones to it, so it does make your teeth look more whiter. That's the thing with blue undertoned lipsticks, and as you saw in the clips that these are like one swipe, they glide on very easily on the lips without tugging or pulling. So that is another thing which is due to the primer infused properties of the lipstick. But yeah, I feel like these are pretty good lipsticks for the price point you're paying for and the kind of packaging and formula you're getting. And creamy matte lipsticks, if you like these kind of lipsticks, definitely you should try these out. Yeah, that was the next shade. As you can see over here, it does have that blue tones to it, which just makes the overall vibe so beautiful. I love blue toned lipsticks totally. The next shade over here is a Movie Date 11. Now this is a slightly different shade of pink. You can see I do have quite shades of pink over here in the swatches, but this is slightly different. These look similar in the tube, but you know, these shades of pink look different on different skin tones. So again, this is a pink, but it has you know, slightly cooler undertones, and it does look beautiful. Again, with anyone with medium to deep skin tones, this shade of pink is gonna look flattering. Again, perfect for the wedding season. Again, this is that shade of pink. I totally love the last two pinks more for my skin tone. And then we have the last shade over here, which is To the Moon and Back, number 12. Again, a beautiful brownie pinky nude shade. It's just perfect for everyday wear or for college or office wear, just perfect. It is not very bold, and neither it's very subtle. It's just perfect for everyday wear, and this shade is gonna go across outfits. The first shade and this shade, the first shade was like true brown color, while this does have hints of pink in it, but it looks so good on my skin tone. I totally love it. Anyone with fair, medium, deep, dusky tan skin tone can rock this shade. For deeper skin tones, I would suggest to go with a darker brown lip liner and then use this shade. Then it would suit those skin tones as well. It's a beautiful shade. Definitely, I really like the first and the last shade a lot. Like, if you just want to pick one or two shades from these, definitely go for the first shade or the last shade. Yeah, I would have all the links mentioned in the description box, and do check out the Purple Beauty Carnival sale going on till 20th October. So yes, I'll meet you soon in my next video. You can check out the description for the product names and details. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.